Hey there folks, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the presser foot on a Brother VX710 sewing machine. So we're just going to zoom you in real close so you can see. So all there is to it, there's a little screw on the side here. We're just going to loosen that off. You don't have to take it off all the way. Just loose enough so that this can slide. We're going to set that one aside. Get your new presser foot. And then just this little piece right here, this groove, goes in between the screw right there. Line it up into place. Tighten your screw back up. And you want to do this all with the needle raised up to the highest point. That way it's easier to get in and out. Then you're all good to go. That's all there is to that one. Nice and simple. Hopefully it was helpful. Please like and subscribe.